Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to set up Hey Google on the Samsung Galaxy A26. Now to do that, just swipe up and open the app drawer on your smartphone. Now from here, just tap on the Google app on your smartphone. From here, just tap on the profile icon at the upper right corner on the display. Now just scroll down and tap on Settings. Now from here, just scroll down and tap on Gemini. Now from here, just scroll down and tap on Hey Google and Voice Match. Now just wait for a few seconds. Now from here, just enable this toggle to enable Hey Google. From here, just tap on More and tap on I agree. Now just tap on More and tap on I agree. Now just wait for a few seconds and tap on Next. Now from here, just tap on Not Now. Now from here, if you say OK Google, you will open the digital assistant on your smartphone, just like that. OK Google. And this is how you can set up Hey Google on the Samsung Galaxy A26. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.